What's up, crypto crew? My name is Tom. Every week I show you how you can get some free cryptocurrency or just get started in the crypto space in general. If you think that's a great idea, then hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning some free cryptocurrency simply by switching your web browser, either on your mobile phone, laptop, or desktop computer. Let's take a look. Okay everybody, the first browser we're going to take a look at is the CryptoTab browser. So you can download this I'm on a Mac, so that's why it looks like the Apple sign is right there, but you can also download it onto your desktop for Windows. You can also download it at the Google Play Store or through the App Store onto your mobile phone and start using this on your phone as well. So the browser itself is very, very clean. It's very fast. As you can see some of the features here as well. They've got lots of videos explaining how it works and the behind the scenes sorts of stuff, so I won't go through all of that on this video here. You can take a look at that yourself. There are kind of 5 main reasons that they say, 5 main reasons why you should be using this browser. So you can earn cryptocurrency while you're surfing the web, which is awesome. You're actually going to get paid in Bitcoin, which we all know is kind of going up and up at this point in time, and it's kind of got limited supply, right? Or it does have a limited supply, so it is likely going to be an asset that continues to go up in the future. So getting in on some of this, I mean, you can earn crypto or earn Bitcoin simply just for using a different web browser, which is awesome. So it's got a fast built-in mining algorithm. Switching to this new browser is really simple. You still get all of your Chrome extensions, and you can use it across multiple devices. So as long as it's, I guess, the same account, like I've got it on my laptop, on my desktop, and on my phone, so you can use it on all 3. There's a full FAQ section, so if you're ever wondering or thinking that you have any general questions, this is where you would go. So there's lots of different questions answered. Like I said, they've got lots of videos, lots of resources, and you can just go through that. But one of the best things is you can see here, like I've started earning this much Bitcoin today, so it just went up there a little bit more. So not a lot right now, right? 2.67 cents. So that's not a ton, but you can refer people, and then that's going to help build your network and increase the rate at which you earn Bitcoin. So I'm going to put my link below in the description, and then if you use that I would greatly appreciate that, of course. But you also will be able to start referring people out and creating your own network. So this isn't like a typical, maybe you might think of it as like, or your mind might go straight to pyramid scheme, but if you refer more people than me, you're going to be able to start earning more than I do. So it's kind of an equal opportunity. Everyone is starting from ground zero, and if you refer more people than I do, you are going to eventually earn more than I do. So that is a good feature of this as well. When we scroll down, there's a bunch more tips and news here. When you want to withdraw, they actually have one of the lowest withdrawal totals that like you need to get to in order to withdraw. So like you don't need that much Bitcoin in order to withdraw. I'm not there yet because I've only just kind of started this out. But if you go to withdraw BTC, you only need 0.00001 Bitcoin in order to withdraw, which is roughly like 20 to 25 cents. So you can withdraw that. You can see I need to earn about, I guess, roughly 10 times more before I can withdraw. But a lot of sites and places require you to withdraw a lot more, or you need to hold a lot more Bitcoin before you can withdraw. So this allows you to withdraw very soon and more often. So I've got it hooked up to my BlockFi account, which is where you can earn interest on holding your Bitcoin. Just for holding it and storing it in that account, you earn 6% interest on your Bitcoin. So I'm trying to hook up as much of these things to that account because it's going to automatically go into there, or when I withdraw, it's going to go into that account and then start earning interest automatically and accruing that. So I will put all of the relevant links below to the CryptoTab browser itself, and as well to my BlockFi account or a BlockFi referral link so you can get started with BlockFi. The second browser that you can switch to is the Brave browser. So this is another way that you can just earn free cryptocurrency just for switching your browser. And this one maybe appeals to a few more people because it's a little bit faster than Chrome and you have way better privacy. So the only ads that you are going to get through this are ones that don't sell your information out to other people. So, and you can choose how many ads you want to receive. So when you go to the settings here, first of all, you'll need to download the Brave browser, which looks kind of like this. It's the lion at the bottom there. You can download it on your phone as well. Once you do download it, there's this Brave rewards section. And what I suggest doing is, to earn the most anyway, you would want to turn your ad settings to turn all the way up. So you're allowing it to give you 5 ads per hour. The ads will actually come up into the top right hand side of your screen there, and you can decide whether you want to click on them or not. But so they're not very annoying at all. You can decide whether you click on them and go see what it is, but it's going to give you ads that are relevant to yourself and kind of what you've been searching for, but they don't ever store your information or give out information to other places. Right now, you can see here, I don't think that's actually turned on, but it doesn't matter because it's on. I'm on the Brave browser, so if I search something else, like if I went to my TimeBucks account, you can see that the Brave browser is currently working and it is blocking some creepy things blocked, like it says. So it's gonna do that for you and protect a lot of stuff, more so than maybe you would on Google Chrome or something like that. In order to get rewards, you actually get paid in BAT or the basic attention token. So you need to sync up an Uphold wallet in order to get paid with this. You do get paid monthly. I think it's the 5th of each month that you get paid with. I got paid a couple days after though, so I guess they add it all up until the 5th and then you get paid a couple days later. You can see that I've accrued that much BAT, 42 BAT, worth of roughly $9 US so far since I started using this. And when you get to the wallet, you'll be able to see that my last payment came in on December 7th. So you'll need to set up this Uphold wallet as well, but you'll get paid. I got to pay just over 6 BAT for last month, so the month of November, and it's about $1.43. I know it's not a lot, but hey, just for switching your web browser, you can earn some free cryptocurrency. Not a bad idea. So there's 2 web browsers that you can switch to. Like I said, you can switch to the CryptoTab or crypto browser or the Brave browser. Depends on what you want to earn. If you want to earn Bitcoin, or you're looking for maybe a little bit more privacy and security and you want to earn some basic attention token, you can do that just by switching to either of these 2 web browsers to earn some more free crypto. Let's get it.